So in being able to focus more on the consumers, less on the clunkiness of software. One of the biggest improvements there is it's a host of things that we use in our workflow with the customer. So we can text them from our work order. We can text them their DVI. We can text them with pre-canned messages from the work order, which allows us to send that right out and communicate without having to flip to different screens or pull something else out. Allows us to stay right there focused on the customer and their work order, as well as the visual workflow screen. So when we use the visual workflow screen to know where people are at, anybody can answer the phone, stay focused on the repairs, stay focused on getting the customers done, communicate right from the work order. And then on checkout, we're able to send them Google reviews, and all those different automations help us stay focused on the customer because we're not having to try to remember to do certain things. The software does it for us, and we can focus on getting the cars repaired properly. There's a bunch of features. You need is a smaller feedback loop in terms of running a business, so that if you're behind on Google reviews, you see that somebody didn't ask for it. So you retrain that salesperson. If they didn't sell road hazard, did you overcome the objections? Did you even offer the other benefits of it? That allows you to train people in real time that will double and triple your ability to hit the numbers that you need. That's how you make real profit. And Hoops brought that to us in a way where we could see within the same day, the same hour, how things were functioning. And for me at high level, that allowed me to not have to stop into shops to get the feel for everything. I can get the feel on any particular week, which store I might need to stop by and what training I'll need to do to fix the next day of business. Not a reactive plan where I'm trying to fix the last month that's already dead. I need to look forward and be better in the future. You know when you get in a fight with your wife?
Nope.
Liar. Give me an example. Well, I can't think of one right now. That's a large feedback loop, right?